How much you want for your balls?
We watch your show every day. He's addicted.
All right, so we got the Wii, gun case, all this stuff, and I'll get the 3 pops. What you got on all that?
You can do 45 for all that?
How about 40?
I'll be watching to see how much you get for that.
Yeah.
What is up, you guys? I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And just in case this is the first time you're watching one of our YouTube videos, my name is Josh, and my wife Haley and I have a full-time eBay and YouTube business. This means we film ourselves going to flea markets, thrift stores, and garage sales, trying to buy things super cheap that we could then flip for a profit on eBay. So if you guys are interested in content like this and you want more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.
So I think our goal for today is going to be to at least be able to double our money on items after fees, shipping, and cost of goods. What's up, man? How much you want on the Xbox controller?
$3.
How much?
Just $3.
$3?
Yeah. It's a Magnavox too.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I think I got a couple of those. Yeah, I'll give you $5 on that. That's worth a little bit more, I think.
Yeah, I love that place, man. You can get the best deals over there.
Yeah, and it helps being like first in line, but it's not necessary.
I got there yesterday, and I was in the back, and I got this, and that Mizuho bag over there too.
Yeah.
And I was in the back of the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Everybody's got their own thing, you know? We got the shoe ladies, we got the guys looking for vintage clothing, we got golf bag guys, bicycle guys.
Everything.
Plenty of junk to go around, man.
Anything that resale.
Has that one sold?
No, it's still up. Check it out. That was actually really cool.
Yeah.
Morning, brother. What's up, my friend? How you doing today?
Good. How about you? How much is this one?
It's 20.
$20.
All right, bro.
I'll give you 20 for that.
Good, you all right? Yeah. Appreciate it, always.
Thank you. Pink G5. What you want on these?
And the TaylorMade's probably online about 25, so for you I'll do 10 on that one.
Okay.
This one's probably going for about 50. I'll do like 20 on that one.
20 to 10.
And if you want to go for them, just do 25. Every time, that way you can use
Yeah.
it on the line.
Yeah, I'll do 25 for both of them. That's cool.
It's a lot of work, but a guy knows how to resurface them to get them to look newer.
Yeah.
It's like a 4-step process, but
Yeah.
I don't know if you do all that stuff, but
No, that's fine, man.
yeah.
Most people don't, as long as they're not like, as long as the face is good. This is a pretty old driver. People expect it to be kind of beat up a little bit.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Thanks, man. We appreciate it. That guy, his name is Zoe. We've bought stuff from him, I don't know, dozens of times. And usually, like, he sells online, so he kind of saves his more higher value stuff to sell online. But I guess he missed this, shout out Zoe, he missed this Xbox 360 Rock Band guitar. As long as this thing works, which I trust him. I've never bought anything from him in the past that doesn't work. We should be able to get about 60 or 70 for this one, plus shipping. Paid like $3, $5 for this. 25 bucks for each of the clubs. Should be able to easily double our money on those after fees. 20 bucks for the golf bag. Should be able to get, I think, 60 or so plus shipping online. So first booth of the day, that's starting out pretty good.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Good. How much are your pop figures?
I'm asking 5 on them.
5. Okay. What about the Nintendo Wii we got here? Ooh, whoops.
To be honest, I haven't even had a chance to try it out yet. I just got it. I'll do 20 on it.
Okay, for everything
Yeah.
together?
Yeah.
Do you have any other games for it other than this one?
That's the only one I have.
That's fine. I'll take a chance on it for 20 bucks. Let me look for other things
Yeah,
we
I
can
got
bundle
a lot of
together.
stuff.
Yeah, this is a good table. Oh, we got some tapes back here. Springfield. That's nice. What you got on that? Just a case, nothing
case?
added. Yeah.
$4.
Okay. I'll add it to my pile here.
Okay.
Oh, Salvatore Ferragamo.
Good.
Like that. We gotta buy as much from you as we can so we can clear out some space on your table.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right, so we got the Wii was 20, gun case was 4, it's 24. All this stuff, the belt buckle, cologne, the tapes, the socks, and I'll get the 3 pops. So what you got on all that?
Can do 45 for all of it?
How about 40?
I'll do that.
Okay. We got our own bag.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
I'll be watching to see how much you get for that.
Yeah. I didn't look any of these up, so we're taking a chance on these.
Those are nice ones. Those
Yeah,
are-
and the Woolrich.
Did you not bring your other bag?
No, I didn't. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Y'all have a good day.
If you're putting out more stuff, we'll make a round and come back.
Yeah, so I have some more in the car.
Awesome. Aerosmith.
Hey, I know. You're the man I saw. Somebody told me you're doing videos of people. I saw you online the other day.
Oh, you found one of our videos?
Well, I finally caught on, and one of friends of mine told me, you know what, you've been on every guy's video, and I pulled up this Harry, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
It sells for $50, $10.
10 bucks.
Yeah, that's what it sold for.
I'll give you 10 bucks on it. Yeah, and I found that.
You were paying fair prices. I noticed you were pretty reasonable on
Yeah, yeah. You know
those
what?
are $5 each.
These are the cutest little things.
Yeah, those are old. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cute.
They're from.
Most of the time, I get maybe $20 for those online. Sometimes
Yeah.
I have some old things and stuff.
There you go. Maybe 10 bucks for that.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
No problem. Thank you, Ken.
Yeah.
Enjoy the day.
Thank you. You too. I always get nervous when people tell me that they like found the channel.
Oh yeah.
I'm just like, oh no, this guy's gonna be mad at me.
1990 collector's edition. Washington Redskins.
It's pretty cool. It's on the back of it. Oh, it's a Slim Jim. That's really cool.
But you know, what are they now? The Washington whatever.
Football team. This is yours.
Is that
$2. I'll give you $2 for that for sure. There you go.
All right, you need a bag?
We got it. I appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
If only we had our wagon, which we forgot. Hello.
Hello.
Good. How are you?
Good, good.
Awesome.
You had fun at the convention, huh?
I did. Yeah. We're actually going to Las Vegas next week for a reseller convention instead of YouTube. Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah. Did we tell you we're from California?
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
Well, maybe. I
You
don't.
guys went out there, we're like, oh, I know that. Pacific Coast Highway, we've been there, I've been
Yeah.
there. I used to
Yeah.
drive limos out there for a while.
Yeah, we drove around. We ended up renting a car because Ubers were so expensive. I'm like, golly, we can
Well, gas
2
is
Ubers and that's a
expensive
car
too,
rental
though.
for the day. We'll let y'all get to it. Just want to stop and say hi.
We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we watch your show every day. He's addicted.
I love it. I love it. It's a good thing to be addicted to. I wish you guys good luck in your sale today.
Yeah, same to you.
Thank you.
Find a lot of good stuff. Yeah.
We'll try. So far, so good.
Always seeing y'all on YouTube. It's good to see y'all in person.
That's right. That's right. Good to see you. What was your name?
Adrian.
Adrian?
I met you before when I was over on that
Oh, okay.
side.
Okay.
I
Awesome.
y'all all the time.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Y'all do it. I wish I could do it.
You can do it. It's not that hard. If we can do it, you can do it.
I tried to get on YouTube and list some stuff and it wouldn't let me print labels.
Oh, on
So I
eBay?
had to pull my stuff back down and I said, oh man.
Yeah. It's not the most user-friendly platform, but I think it's worth learning for sure.
It's complicated. though.
Yeah. If you don't want it to be too easy, because if it's too easy, everybody will be on it. So I kind of like that it takes a little bit of research to learn it, because that way it
Yeah.
keeps the competition away a
But
little
I
bit.
do Porsche and Vent.
Yeah, Posh is good.
Car.
Yeah, yeah. I think Mercari is probably the best platform for newer sellers. Thank you so much.
Y'all have a great one.
You too. We just went back to the car to put our first IKEA bag up, and now we're gonna head back to one more row of booths in the very back. But before we get there, I want to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. A Skillshare class I've taken this month is called Indoor Gardening, Grow Houseplants, Veggies, and Herbs, taught by Ekta Chandri. So I have 2 fake plants in the office for looks, a real snake plant in the kitchen, as well as a money tree in the kitchen. Her name is Purd Trees. She's 2 years old, and she's kind of thriving, although her pot's way too little. So when I found this Skillshare class, I was pumped because I've always wanted more houseplants in my office, especially because there's so many benefits to having real plants in your immediate workspace in your house in general. So this course was super helpful with learning how to take care of plants and learning how to make them as happy and healthy as they possibly can be. And if you're not interested in houseplants for whatever reason, that's totally fine, because there are thousands of other classes on Skillshare that cover every realm of creativity. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description down below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video.
Do you have the power cord for this anywhere? The brand is Amoeba. The power cord.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, that's it? Okay. Yeah, that's it. How much you asking for it?
$5.
5? I'll take a chance on it for $5.
Sick week, man. I've had a ball up here. Listen, I really, it's like I have it.
Yeah, it's good.
man.
We're out here all the
Weekend,
time,
I
man.
know-
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you book, man.
I know that VHS rewinders can do well, and I've never ever seen like an 8mm tape or whatever that is rewinder. So we'll take a chance on it. I want to see what these balls are. I think I've seen these before. You like roll them around in your hand or something. They have like balls inside. Pretty sure those are good.
What's the purpose?
That's like some Chinese like massage balls or something. That's probably some too. Yeah. These don't feel as nice as those. Those kind of clang around a little bit. How much one for your balls?
I got 2 sets of them.
I saw the other one. The other one's I've only seen these a couple times, and usually the ones with like the paint and the sound, these sound a little bit better than those.
Okay.
So I'll do both if you want to give me a deal on them.
I'll do 5 on both.
Yeah, I'll do 5 for both. Thanks, man. Is that like a light fixture? That is heavy.
It's like a sink.
A sink? Oh yeah, yeah, it is a sink.
Yeah.
I was like, it looks like a light fixture, but there's no way that thing would fall from the ceiling. Speedline 3 wood. What you asking for the 3 wood? 5? Yeah, I can do 5 on that. Yep. Thank you.
Guys bouncing good stuff.
It was okay.
Like you did.
Yeah, better than last Wednesday.
Yeah.
Last Wednesday it was all raining. Nobody was out here.
Huge fan, dude.
Hey, what's up, man?
I'm from Nashville.
Awesome.
Down here visiting, so
Awesome.
huge inspiration, brother, man.
Love
I
it.
what you
Love
do.
it. This is a good
Was
flea
able to
market.
Able to quit my job and do it full time, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
How long
General
was the
manager,
process?
8 months. I
8
did
months. That's awesome.
Yeah, 8 months before I went in full time. I was a general manager of Planet Fitness for 4 years.
Yeah.
And they laid us off for COVID. Of
course.
Full time into this, and it's been crazy, man.
Absolutely.
Crazy,
Love it.
so,
Love it.
yeah.
How long have you been down here?
Just got here yesterday.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, here visiting. So
Awesome.
keep doing what you do, man. Seriously,
Love it. I
huge
appreciate it.
inspiration, yeah.
What was your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good to meet you, man.
Just got through watching you before.
Oh, you did? Hey.
The pros and cons.
Yeah.
You guys are adorable.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
just cute too, okay?
Thank you.
I'll tell him you said that.
Yeah, give us special
Yeah, absolutely.
Here, it's already pulled up. Appreciate you.
Yep.
It's kind of slow.
There it is.
Awesome.
All right, y'all. Thanks again.
Yep. Tag me in that. Excuse me, sir. How much for your hat?
$5. Just a
Five.
$5 bill. Yes, sir. Shit, back right after he died, that thing was worth $100.
Yeah, I bet. How about 3? Since it's got 3 on it. So I guess.
How about 4 and you got a deal? If I go any less than that, I'll lose money, man. I got to pay rent here too.
Of course, of
If I
course.
didn't have to pay rent, I'd probably do $3 on it.
1, 2, 3, 4. There
Thank
you
you,
go.
friend. I appreciate you.
I
Have a
appreciate
great
you.
day, okay?
Thank you. Hey, Mr. Junior, how are you?
How you today, sir?
I'm better than I deserve. How about yourself?
I can't complain either, brother.
You're buying the horns?
No, I'm buying the stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know.
Horns look cool too, though.
I be watching your channel
Oh, you do?
all night, right? And then I wake up in the morning, I be like, hey, I don't see him out there.
Yeah, we came out last Wednesday, but it was raining, so wasn't a lot of people out here. But we've been out of town for the last couple weekends.
But I usually set up myself with games and stuff. I got tons of games down there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Tons of them.
Games are some of the best things to sell, man.
See, you walk away and you didn't even look at everything.
What didn't I look at? Oh, you got all your shoes back there. Oh man. Can I walk back there?
Please.
Okay. I'm sure I walk past stuff all the time. I never know if it's worth it to spend more time at booths looking at everything or quickly look at every booth.
Well, I would scan to start with and re-walk it.
Are these the Gatorade ones? Those look like Gatorade ones.
These are really cool. Those little ear ones.
Yeah. These are up tempos, I think. These are these foam posits?
Appreciate the service, sir. Thank you.
I wish I knew.
Wish you knew more about shoes.
Yeah. I appreciate you letting me look, Mr. Junior.
Anytime, my friend.
I need to do some more research and learn more about shoes. Because sometimes I'll buy them and I'm like, oh, these are 100% real. And everybody on the video is like, dude, those are fake. Those are the fakest shoes I've ever seen.
Oh.
And other times I'll pass them because I think they're fake. And I'm like, oh, no, they were real. They were real. So I don't know. We thank you, sir.
Y'all be blessed.
You too. Nah.
You interested in that? I'll get your price. Chad, how about the skateboard?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
That's not what he's looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was looking. I thought it was a penny board. Looks like a Grand Strand Myrtle Beach knockoff.
I thought it was too.
Yeah. Somebody will still buy it.
$2 nowadays.
Yeah. You can probably sell it for $3.
Yeah, maybe not.
So here's the Nintendo Wii we picked up from that lady for 20 bucks. We got the unit, sensor bar, power cord, and one controller and a nunchuck. So like a complete Wii setup except the AV cord. So I plugged it in my car here. It does have the red lights. We're gonna go ahead and push the eject button and see if there's a game inside. She watched the channel, so I doubt she would have left a game in here. No. Nope, no game inside. So that's a bummer. Sometimes we find some good games in there. Not this time.
So for a Wednesday morning at our local flea market, this was a super solid trip. We only spent $121 total on all the items you saw in this video today, and I think after eBay fees, shipping costs, and cost of goods sold, we should easily see a profit of around $400 or so. It'll take some extra time to get the items actually listed on eBay and shipped out, but all in all, we're probably looking at a total work time of maybe 6 hours for about $400 in profit between my wife and I. So that's still pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. And again, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.